Hey, what's going on? Charles here, AllCoastLawncare&pressurewashing. Hey, so I'm over at my wife's job real quick. She's burning the midnight oil to get ready for Monday. You know, she's gonna do some training for the lawn care guys. But check this out, y'all. So, um, I'm doing pressure washing, as you already know. We've been following this channel, but I made a customer agreement, okay, to make sure the customer is aligned with what do you call with the service and everything, okay? That I'm gonna meet their expectations, and they're expecting what work they're getting provided. All right. So does that make sense, babe? I got Anna right here, y'all. She's like fixing the monitor. Okay, so here we go, y'all. So the customer texted us yesterday asking for lawn care service. All right. And then I said, yes, ma'am. We do provide. No, she texted me yesterday, asking me for pressure washing service, and then I asked her for the address. I looked up the address, and I went ahead and called her. I usually text them back the quote, and I just called her up, and she was asking. I go, hello, ma'am. For all four sides of the house for the house wash is this much. Okay, so well, what about if I just want one or two sides? Well, ma'am, our base rate is this much for a two-story house. But no matter what, ma'am, we're gonna do the whole house, all four sides, no matter what. We're gonna wash off all the dirt, algae, and mold, and any organic growth. And she was, okay, well, I'll get back to you. And I hung up, and I told my wife, hey, should I just give the customer what they want? I mean, if it's 200, if we take off $100 just to do two sides, it's still $200, you know. And like now, you know what? Let's just stick to our guns. You know what I mean? Because we're providing professional service. We're not just gonna do half the house. We're gonna do all the house. All right. Hey, the next day which is today, she texted back saying, "Hello, I would like to get the house wash scheduled." All right. Yes, ma'am. Great. Would you like would Monday work for you? She said yes. So I texted her this customer agreement. So I got this from hey, if you haven't followed Mr. Bubbles, get his course. It's awesome. You know what I mean? He has like a lot of templates on there. But he has one customer agreement on there. But I combined with other like agreements. You know what I mean? It's copy and paste, y'all. Okay. But I give Mr. Bubbles class, all right. He'll provide you a lot of information. He'll give you a call, like once you become a member, he'll give you a call, all right. And it's only like $89. You know what I mean? But dude, the $89 when you get so much information, and he sends you awesome ammo for the toolbox. All right, like he provides you documents, pictures, templates for postcards. But anyway, here's a customer agreement. Okay, that I made up with all these other I see stuff like on YouTube. I Google. I just put them all together into one. All right, so this is what I came up with. Okay. All right. Hello, ma'am. This is Charles for the house washing services. Please confirm the service will be provided for you. House wash, $300. Estimated date of service, Monday, March 25th. Estimated time of arrival, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. House wash only includes all sides of house. All right. Look, see, you hear that, y'all? I'm giving into detail what I'm providing, okay? Not a roof wash, not gutter cleaning, not concrete cleaning, all sides of house only. All right, this is important, y'all, okay? Please prepare your home by kenneling or securing all pets that may normally be outside during the day, removing any plants that are potted and sitting next to the home due to the cleaning agent that is used to clean outside of the home, storing any items that may be leaning or placed next to the home, storing any items that are on the screen porch to avoid damage. This is the most important, y'all, right here. Please close all windows and park vehicles away from house, preferably on street curb to avoid overspray. You do not have to be present. Payment, we accept credit card, Venmo, Cash App, and cash. Payment due upon completion of service. All right, have you put payment due upon satisfaction of service? They're gonna give excuse. Oh, well, you missed this spot. I ain't gonna pay it. So I just put payment due upon completion of service. You complete the service, it's time to pay. All right, we'll keep you updated if any changes of arrival due to inclement weather, of high winds, rain, or cold temperatures for our house wash chemicals. Please say yes or no to confirm. Please call or text if you have any questions. Thank you, Charles and Anna, All Coast Lawn Care and Pressure Washing. Okay, she said yes. And I reply back, thank you for confirming, ma'am. We'll keep you updated Monday when we are on our way. Thank you, Anna. All right, Anna's the one that sent it. All right, y'all. So that's the customer agreement template that I'm using. Okay, I'm satisfied with it. I like it. Okay, you can add more to it if you want. I'm sharing this with you because hey, it's a good to have. You know what I mean? You're telling the customer what to expect when you arrive and what they need you to do. Because if you don't do it, hey, if you want to, y'all could like charge them extra for moving furniture around, covering like outside furniture, or whatnot, chasing the dog to put him on the leash. You know what I mean? Um, waiting about more time because they didn't move the car, so now you gotta wait for them to move the car. I had one customer; she had to drive to her husband's job to get the keys to move a vehicle. All right, and that was like 40 minutes right there. I was waiting, y'all. Hey, time is money, okay? Anyway, y'all. Hey, Anna, do you have anything to add?
No, I don't.
Okay. How's the monitor? Did you get the monitor working?
No, not yet.
She's trying to get that monitor to work out for a class she has on Monday. She's giving a class Monday. She's awesome, y'all. Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless. If you have any questions, 910-939-9020. I'm not a pressure washing, power washing guru. I'm just a new guy like you. That's why I'm watching YouTube. Hey, but please feel free to call if you have any questions how I started this side hustle, all right, slash LLC. Other than that, y'all, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll appreciate if you like and subscribe. Hey, thanks for watching. Never quit or give up. And all times, God bless. See you on the next video. Bye.